Before it becomes a promise of speed, it begins as something no one expects. This black runner looks engineered for the future, but its first life,
long natural fibers.
Every load is sorted before fiber
Tension has to be perfect.
Now the shoe's skin is real.
Before it becomes a promise of speed, it begins as something no one expects. This black runner looks engineered for the future, but its first life was organic.
One hand holds speed, the other holds waste from a banana farm. Today, they become the same story.
What we wear to chase seconds may soon come from what fields leave behind.
Every landing hides hundreds of material decisions.
From city pavement to competition lanes, the same question follows every premium sneaker. What is it really made from? To athletes, shoes are not fashion first. They are trust.
Nature already solved strength, channeling, and lightness long before sportswear did.
When a shoe reaches the $200 conversation, materials become the real headline.
And this one begins with a plant nobody expects to find inside a sports shoe.
So how does a performance shoe begin in a banana field? Long after the fruit is cut, the thick stem remains, usually discarded, sometimes burned.
What looks like farm waste is actually a reservoir of long natural fibers.
Inside the stem, moisture, pulp, and fiber are locked together in thick, natural layers.
It is wet, heavy, and messy, and nothing about it looks like a high-performance upper yet. The stems move fast. Fresh material gives better fiber.
From farm edge, the journey shifts from agriculture to manufacturing.
Every load is sorted before fiber extraction begins.
The stem is opened layer by layer because each sheet carries different fiber quality. Cleaning now protects the fibers from unnecessary damage in the machine.
This is the first real separation. The plant gives up its usable skeleton.
Now the farm waste becomes an industrial raw material. Not every strand makes the shoe. Consistency starts with sorting. Natural gum still clings to the fiber, so it is softened and released in a controlled wash.
Rinsing clears the residue while preserving the long structure needed for textile strength.
Moisture has to leave slowly, or the fibers lose balance.
Final moisture is tuned in controlled heat before the fibers can behave like textile input.
Carding untangles chaos into direction. The loose mass is gently drafted into a form that can finally be spun.
This is where plant fiber starts thinking like fabric.
Uniform yarn means uniform appearance, feel, and strength in the finished upper.
Before any fabric exists, tension has to be perfect.
Thread becomes surface in a matter of seconds. Now the shoe's skin is real.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From the GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation, human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.